Okay, Fabienne, what's going on here? Are you chopping something?
I'm chopping onions.
Okay, but you're supposed to be crying when you chop
just for
onions.
demo
Chop
purposes,
I'm
onions.
putting in a workers' comp claim.
Okay, and what's going on here? Are we setting up? What are we setting up here, gentlemen?
multiple printers
For which product?
for Talic.
Talic. And is this a customer? Is this Mrs. Jennifer a
Wait, that
customer?
was the wrong one.
There we go.
No, that's right. Now,
Oh, that is
now
right.
go printer management. Now go to printer 2.
Okay.
So hit the arrow.
Okay,
Now
so
name that,
If
like,
we're doing a
kitchen.
skit, you may have to start over.
no, there needs to.
Best if for demo purposes.
I'm just ready for it to print.
So what are we buying here, Vivian?
We are going to sell lots.
We're gonna run a tab.
Yeah.
Okay. all
Test
right.
print.
Oh, can we wrap? Oh,
Yeah.
let's do it. Oh,
Item one, coming right up.
Coming right up from the
Now
kitchen.
you have these 2 printers, right?
Okay.
Let's
then
make
we can-
the counter your primary.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add a group.
It was
Okay.
kind of like Jennifer yesterday. They really wanted
You
to
can
talk
name
on the
group
cafe.
name, say
I was telling him that.
you might have to get
Service.
put like
Well, give me a thumbs up for Talic. 1, 2, 3. Yes, thank you.